But there's more. Elif goes in between, and it says, okay, if the first thing is true, then do that. Elif, and then we have another expression that evaluates to true or false. Then we do this. And if nothing above that is true, then we do else. Here are some simple rules of thumb when it comes to using if, elif, and else. If is standard. You don't have a branching control structure if you don't use at least if. If is sort of required. You cannot use elif or else without an if. Elif is optional, but you can have as many as you want. You could have 30 of these things. Now that's a crazy code structure. I don't know what we'd be doing there, but you could technically do it. You can have 0 to 1,000,000 of these. You can have 0 or 1 else. Else is not required. You can have if, 30 elifs, and no else, which means it's going to do this, this, or nothing if you leave the else off. So you can have all kinds of different possibilities there, but that's how it all fits together. So if, elif, and else, elif always requires an expression. Okay, if requires an expression, elif requires an expression, else does not, because it just says nothing else has been true so far, so we're going to do this. Okay, elif also requires a colon. Remember to indent your code. This, and this have to be indented at the same level. One tab more than these. Okay, make sure your code lines up. If you don't, you will have errors.